Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is a coffee bean grinder from DEKOPRO. I was on the search for something small, quiet, and portable, and I found it with this coffee grinder. So whether you are grinding coffee beans like I am, or you want to use this to grind something else like spices, I love the fact that it's small enough not to take up a lot of space, but it has enough capacity to make me 12 cups of coffee. And as far as grinders go, it's not that loud. So let me show you what it sounds like. So it is a small but mighty coffee grinder that doesn't make you feel like you're going to lose your hearing because it's so loud. I know every time I would grind coffee beans in the past, my dog would run because it was so loud, but she doesn't with this one. It's really not bad at all, but it's effective. I get the grind I want, and because that little container comes out, I'm able to clean it really well. And that's important to me because if I'm using it for more than one thing, I want to be able to clean it effectively. One of the key elements that I love about this coffee grinder is the fact that it's stainless steel and that I'm able to easily remove the grinding container. So not only can I empty it when I've used it to grind coffee beans, but I can easily clean it. And this takes up very little space and it's incredibly quiet for a coffee grinder. Simple to use, really straightforward, gives you what you want, and it's easy to clean. And that is my point of view.